Hi, this is Vanessa with Designs by Vanessa. Today I will show you how to undo a knitted stitch, whether it's knit or purl or knit two together. So here I have a contrasting color that I'm using to knit. So hopefully you can see it better. So I'm just going to go ahead and knit a stitch. So you basically want to undo what you just did. So this blue yarn on the bottom is from the left hand needle. So you want to insert your left hand needle from the front through the back and then let go of the just knitted stitch from your right hand needle. Okay. So be mindful of how you are moving your stitches from the left hand needle to the right hand needle. So I'm going to purl this stitch and then I'm going to undo it. So I'm going to stick my left hand needle into the space right there because that's exactly how I slid it off of my needle. And you want to slide the just knitted stitch off your right hand needle. Okay, so let me show you if you were to knit two together. So if you were to knit two stitches together, the process of undoing it is pretty much the same. Okay, so you're going to place your left hand needle into the space here through both the blue strands of yarn. Okay, so you're just going to go from the front to the back and then pull the just knitted stitch off of your right hand needle. So let me undo a couple of stitches from my right hand needle. So insert from the front to the back in the stitch below and slip the stitch off of your right hand needle. So let's do that again from the front to the back. Let me move this out of the way and then slide the knitted stitch off your right hand needle. Okay, so let me knit a few more stitches and then I'll show you that one more time. Okay, so these stitches right below it are the stitches that are coming from your left hand needle. So you want to put it back, going from the front to the back on your left hand needle and then slide the knitted stitch off your right hand needle. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.